Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox Stage 320 party speaker and you are trying to pair it with a Bluetooth device like your iPhone, your Android phone, a tablet or a PC or anything like that. So first of all, this speaker will automatically pair with whatever it has been paired with in the past. It will remember up to 8 devices. So when you turn it on, it's going to look for all of those 8 devices in chronological order to the most recent one that it was paired with, and it will automatically pair with that. So you might get in a situation where you want to move something up or manually pair something so that you can, and it's stuck paired on something you don't want it to. So what we can do is we can manually put it in pairing mode and then select what we want to do. So what we're going to do is, even if it's paired with something, which would mean this Bluetooth light would be solid blue, but we want to pair it with something new, what we're going to do is we're just going to come in and we're going to press this Bluetooth button until this button will start to blink. Once that happens, then we can go on the device that we want to connect it to, go to the available Bluetooth devices, and select this JBL Partybox Stage 320 from it. If ever it asks for a password or a PIN code, just enter 0000, 4 times 0, and it will automatically pair with that phone. And then the next time you turn it off and turn it on, this will now be the most recently paired device, and it will try to automatically pair with that device. After you've got 8 devices paired, it will start dropping things off. But anyways, if you're having issues beyond this where it's still not pairing properly, I recommend you do a factory reset on the speaker, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that reset. But anyways, if this worked for you, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.